Man who caused a deadly car crash will pay $120, but a mother says her sentence is a lifetime in hell.
That's what Barb Olson said to Mark Begeman in court when she described the death of her daughter, 19-year-old Caitlin Carmen. Caitlin was waiting to make a left turn on Highway 42 back in March. Highway patrol troopers say Begeman's van rear-ended Carmen's car and pushed it in front of an oncoming semi-truck, killing her and hurting her 10-year-old brother. Authorities ticketed Begeman for careless driving and didn't find any evidence of alcohol, drugs, or that he was on his phone. During a previous hearing, an attorney referred to the crash as a tragic accident. Caitlin's mom, sister, and stepdad all fought tears when they talked about the devastation they felt since losing the USD sophomore. I spoke with Olson afterward, and she says the family is in disbelief and angry following the sentence. There's no shortage of people who will speak up for Caitlin Carmen. A number of them gave victim impact statements today and talked about the funny, kind, and loving young woman. However, Caitlin's own words left many of them speechless.
In the blink of an eye, everything can change. So forget often and love with all of your heart. You may never know when you'll have that chance again.
In the courtroom, a Minnehaha County prosecutor read this sentence from a speech Caitlin gave at USD a few weeks before she died. The sentence the judge gave left a different kind of mark.
I don't understand why all of this went on for $120.
Olson already knew Begeman wouldn't get any prison time, but this charge of careless driving can carry up to 30 days in jail and up to a $500 fine. Judge Eric Johnson said because this was a fine-only offense, he couldn't give more than the $120 ticket an officer gave Begeman the night of Caitlin's death. Johnson said it made him sick to his stomach, but also said his hands were tied. Mr. Begeman, do you have any comments for Kello?
No, we don't have anything. Thank you.
No matter what the outcome was going to be, it was never going to do adequate justice. But this outcome is just incomprehensible. This is wrong.
Caitlin's friends and family, who wear tie-dye in her honor, say they wouldn't use the word justice to describe what happened here today.
Somehow, we need to provide the good in the world that she no longer is able to.
Minnehaha County prosecutors say Begeman told investigators he didn't see Caitlin's vehicle and he didn't have time to react before he hit it. There were no signs he tried to brake or maneuver to avoid it, and the roads have been described as clear and it was sunny at the time of the crash. Begeman didn't say anything in court today, but his attorney said he takes this very seriously and will have to live with this for the rest of his life. At the end of the hearing, Begeman hugged someone in Caitlin's group of supporters, cried, and said he was sorry.